Alright, YouTube, as promised, we are going to install a Wi-Fi controller. Alright, here it is from Amazon, the Wi-Fi controller. Let's open this box up. Boxing video. Alright, here it is. Color coded. Alright, we'll get into that in a minute. Check it out. You'll see 3 snaps on the top, 3 snaps on the bottom. That's going to come into play. This looks just like the other controller. However, you can see the old ones has the temperature. The new one, no temperature. What's up with that? Well, that's because it's Wi-Fi. You can control the temperature with this knob. It just keeps on turning, or you can control it with your phone. And you can set the temp that way. Still has the 2 meat probes, just as the old one. Let's get into how to install this puppy. All right, here we go. So to get to this controller and all the wires, you're going to see 4 screws. Here's the first one there. There's 2 on the side, and then there's 1 on the back that corresponds with this first one. Okay, after the uninstall, I'm just going to reinstall the new one. You're just going to plug and play, match all the colors to the colors, and then you'll be good to go. Again, make sure you pay attention to the colors as you take them off and remove them, because that's how they're going to go on. Alright, so the next step, once you get all your colors matched and your things plugged back in, you're going to push the power button just to make sure it works. And we have liftoff, and this is the new controller. You see it's the IT. There's an app called Smoke It, and it corresponds with this. So let's turn this off.